Hey guys, in today's video we are going to try some stylish, beautiful and unique glasses from Pain Glasses. I will leave all the information in the description box. Don't forget to use my code if you want to save money. Please check it out and you can buy some great glasses. Let's start with my personal favorite. This one is a black pair with cat eye effect. As you can see, these are super flattering and they create a really put together look, so elegant, and they go well with everything. Okay, let's continue with this pair. This has a red frame with golden details. This is really effective if you want a look that is not too much but also not too simple. And they give a very elongated eye effect. As you may know, my favorite color is pink, so I had to choose this. Look at them. These are so beautiful. Have a leopard print frame with pink details, and these are so fun to wear. If you like to experiment a little bit more, these are the ones for you. If you have a bold and stylish look, you will love this. I think that this pair is the one that every single person likes because they have a round frame, which is good for every eye shape. These ones are a must-have in my glasses collection. Last but not least, we have this pair of glittery glasses. These are so colorful, unique, and I've never seen a pair like this. These have silver, white, orange, yellow details, a little bit of blue, a little bit of green. These are so fun during summer, but also if you're a person who likes to experiment a lot with the looks. If you wear really bright clothes or makeup, you will adore this. Which one is your fave? Please check out the description box. Bye!